motor. 408 Stroker, man. Hey, look at it, YouTube. Yes, sir. Hey, look here, YouTube. Check out this LS Swap 408 Stroker with me, YouTube. But first, let me ask you a question. How would you like to know how to do a LS swap that runs just like this, YouTube? That's what it is. Guess what, YouTube? I'm satisfied, YouTube, YouTube! '72 convertible Impala LS3 swap. Looking at maybe almost 600 horsepower. We ain't put it on the dyno yet, YouTube. We did our own wiring. And we show y'all how to do the wiring, YouTube. Step by step. We did our fuel system. We show you how to do the fuel system as well. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. Now let's swap, baby. If you one of them people that have the desire to do a LS swap, it's your day today, YouTube. I know what that feel like, man. I had to wait 12 years, YouTube. Don't let the enemy trick you into thinking that you can't do it. No matter how difficult it may appear or how difficult it may look, YouTube, I'm here to tell you that you can do it. I know you can do it, YouTube. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. But what I need for you to do is to make sure you click that subscribe button, YouTube. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you see all our new videos when we post them, YouTube. And I need for you to drop me a comment and say, I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Y'all ready? Let's get it. YouTube, YouTube, YouTube. This your boy, Tone coming back at y'all one more again, YouTube, with another great video on Chevys R Us, man. Y'all know what time it is, YouTube. We ain't in the garage today, man. We outside. Look here, YouTube. I want y'all to check out this LS Swap 408 Stroker with me, YouTube. Let's get it. YouTube. Hey, check it out, man. Look at him, YouTube. Got the Corvette, man. Look at that LS motor. Hey, man, y'all see it, bro. Hey, they trying to run me over, ain't they? Hey, look at it, YouTube. Yes, sir. 408 Stroker. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Look at it, bro. Hey, man, that thing right. Hey, look out. Check him out on the inside, YouTube. He got the computer right there. Y'all see him, man. Look here, man. Y'all see the computer right there, YouTube. Hey, man, this is Chevys R Us, bro. You want to give a shout out?
Yeah, I want to give a shout out to Chevys R Us.
Hey, man, y'all heard him, YouTube. Hey, I appreciate you, man. We'll holler at y'all in a minute.